Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete the graffiti on your project on the filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button, but the project section you can find your old projects. New, go to the right side of the screen, and if you go to the pencil icon, you can draw to your video or picture, and you can select another color, you can set the opacity, the duration, the animation, and if you want to delete this graffiti, click to the last option, the delete, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.